Hi, my name is Kashif Rashid and today we're going to teach you how to shoot in sunlight with just one light and how to balance both of them. Stay tuned.
In this situation, we have the light in the background and I'll try to light it from the front. As you can see from the lighting diagram that the sun was behind the model and the main light was in front of her. So the first shot that we took was with the light being off. You can see that the image was slightly underexposed. Now we turn the light on, which is at 45 degrees on the model and slightly higher up. As you can see that it fills the exposure nicely. Also, a lot depends on the power of the light. If your image is still underexposed after you've turned on the light, then you need to increase the power of the strobe so that you can make it brighter. Here is another example. First, we take a shot of Sidra with the lights off. As you can see that in this case, it's underexposed because the sun is in the background, and if you want details in the background, then you have to keep her face underexposed. Then we turn the strobe on and you can see that it fills the face nicely.
I hope you guys learned something. If you need to ask something, just comment below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. In the meantime, if you want to learn and watch more videos like this, subscribe, click on the bell icon, like this video, share it with your friends so that they can also benefit from it.